Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making this healthy banana bread or banana cake which does not compromise on the taste. If you want to learn how to make it, keep watching. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the cake. So first you're going to grease and line a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and set that aside. Now in a bowl, take the coconut oil, honey, and just beat till they're uniform. Then add in the 2 eggs. You can also use half cup yogurt as a substitute for the eggs, and then beat them in. Then add in the mashed bananas and the milk or water, and beat those in as well until the batter is uniform. After that is done, add in the baking soda, the salt, ground cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Beat for another minute. Finally, add in the whole wheat flour, and fold it in using a rubber spatula. Make sure you do not overmix the batter and only mix until the flour has mixed into the batter. Your batter is now ready. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. You're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Keep an eye on it and make sure you don't overbake the banana bread because you want it to be moist and not too dry. Once it's done, let it cool completely on a wire rack. And then it's time to dig in. Run a knife at the sides and take it out of the loaf pan. And then cut as thin or as thick slices as you like. I love spreading some honey or some almond butter or just plain butter onto the bread and eating it, and it tastes absolutely divine. As you can see, this looks just like a normal banana bread, but it's so much healthier for you, and I assure you, you cannot tell the difference. Do bake this and let me know how it turns out for you down in the comment section. Stay tuned for more recipes. If you want to stay up to date with new recipes, make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe. I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!